In this video, we will check out 3 new particles features. The first new feature is the ability to select screen limits per particle. You can now give each particle a limited range on the X and Y axis. This essentially draws an invisible box around the particle, restricting its movement. In this example, we have selected different limits for each of our 8 particles. Let's see how this looks on the display. The particles are all constrained to within the selected range of coordinates. Let's add another particle that can travel all over the screen to show how it will interact with our restricted particles. This feature can be a powerful rhythmic tool when combined with resets. In this example, the restricted particles could be resetting rhythmically, while the large particle travels around creating fills and variations. Another new feature is the group editor. This UI allows you to edit multiple particle values at once. You can select a range of particles at the top. Any of the particle's numerical parameters can be selected as the destination. There are currently 2 modes to choose from to generate values. Start-end mode allows you to enter a specific start and end value and generate numbers that are linearly, exponentially, or logarithmically spaced between the start and end points. When we have selected our values, we can see a preview of the output below. In this example, the distribution parameter is set to 0, so we get equal linear spacing of values. Positive and negative distribution values allow us to apply logarithmic or exponential curves to the output values. Let's look at an example using the group editor to generate XY positions. In the first example, we can see even distribution. In this second example, we can see the curvature applied by the distribution parameter. The second editor mode is a multiplier. In this mode, we can select a base value and a multiplication factor. Creating a mathematically related set of particles has many musical uses. We can easily create rhythms, clock multipliers and clock dividers, and when paired with the reset features, you have endless scope for generating interesting rhythms. We can apply the values with the button at the bottom of the interface. Lastly, we have added a new type of reset. Now we can count a particle's collisions and generate resets when the selected number of collisions have occurred. We can select any particle as the source of the reset, and we can select any number of collisions between 1 and 32,000. There are 12 collision logic resets available simultaneously, and each can use a different particle, or you may use the same particle with a different number of collisions per reset. If we look at the Reset on Off page, we can see that our selected reset is now available. Each particle can use any combination of timed resets, collision resets, and external resets simultaneously. Let's check out some examples using the new features to limit particles, reset them, and create rhythms by generating related velocity values with the group editor.